if you're experiencing issues with your Call of Duty graphics settings, follow these steps to quickly recover them. This guide will help you reset and restore your graphics settings to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Access game settings. Open Call of Duty and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the Options or Settings menu where you can find graphics settings. Step 2. Reset to defaults. Look for an option that says Reset to default or Restore defaults within the graphics settings. This will revert all settings back to their original state. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. After resetting, you can manually adjust the graphics settings according to your preference. Consider factors like resolution, texture quality, and frame rate to optimize performance. Step 4. Save changes. Once you have made your adjustments, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings menu. Step 5. Restart the game. To ensure that all changes take effect, exit the game completely and restart it. This will help in applying the new graphics settings properly. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Call of Duty graphics settings effectively. Enjoy your gaming.